I'm Brittany with WTI, and why not have some beauty with some convenience?
And I'm in love with these ceramic kitchen containers by Sweejar. They look great with the rest of the look of our kitchen. They come in 4 different sizes. They have bamboo lids with a seal on each of them. Even though it doesn't have thread, you actually turn the lid to open. You can put anything that you need quick access to in these jars: coffee, protein powder, collagen, matcha tea, and like I said, you're going to twist it closed to get a quality seal. So whether it's morning or evening, if I want to make a matcha tea and add a little collagen to it, I don't have to worry about trying to find everything in the cabinet. It's right there. I can mix it up and enjoy, make my coffee in the morning. I can choose if I want it strong or not. And I can also make a protein shake. Again, I can add that protein, that collagen, and I can have that nice, healthy start to the morning. There is a huge variety of the arrangements that you can have with these canisters. They're so easy to clean, and they are just so beautiful, and they fit perfectly on my counter.
This definitely made my morning routine so much easier. I love them, and that's my point of view.